Welcome to Projectcubicle, your go-to place for powerful business strategies. Today, we're talking about one of the most underrated tools in business and marketing, the case study. What is it? Why does it matter? And how do you write one that actually gets read? Let's get started. What is a business case study? A business case study is a real-world analysis of a person or company facing a problem and how they solved it. It's not just a report, it's a story. One with a protagonist, your client, a problem, and a successful resolution using your product or service. Case studies are persuasive and informative. They provide proof that your solution works, and they build trust with your audience. Why write a case study? Because they work. Case studies help build customer loyalty, assist your sales team, provide content for websites, blogs, and emails, and most importantly, prove your value. In fact, case studies are among the most trusted content types in marketing. How to write a case study. Step by step. Let's walk through the process. Step 1. Collect the facts. Start with the who, what, when, where, and why. Focus on one specific problem and result. Gather quotes, stats, and background details. Step 2. Create an outline. There's no strict format, but a strong case study includes headline snapshot summary, client, product, key results, client introduction, the problem or challenge, the solution you provided, the results achieved, a conclusion or client quote. Step 3. Write the case study. Write each section with purpose. Be clear, factual, and keep it short. Let the client be the hero, and use direct quotes to make it real. Don't oversell. Good storytelling with solid results is all you need. Step 4. Format and publish. Make it easy to read. Use headings, visuals, and short paragraphs. Proofread everything before publishing. Small mistakes damage credibility. If possible, include visual data, customer photos, and real numbers. What makes a case study? Compelling? Great case studies focus on the customer's journey, not your company's. They are relatable to your target audience, focused on one clear outcome, simple and visual, easy to skim, honest with realistic results. Make sure to tell a story, but also give readers a snapshot of the results right away. Case study examples. Some of the best business schools and companies use this method. Yale's Coffee 2016 looks at global supply chains through the CEO of Illy Coffee. MIT's Netflix Goes to Bollywood explores business expansion. MailChimp showcases small business wins with clean visual layouts. Shopify's case studies feature clients as the story focus, not the platform. These examples are successful because they're clear, structured, and centered on outcomes. Final tips. Ask your client for permission and make it easy for them to participate. Lead with the outcome, not the process. Choose interesting stories, but keep them relevant. Use visuals to make your study more engaging. And always keep your client, not your product, as the hero. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Projectcubicle for more business and marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and remember, your next client might just be one great story away.